What's going on YouTube? Adrian here with another video. So today I'm going to be telling you about 3 softwares that have really helped my photography business, and I think you should check them out. And I'm going to be telling you a little bit about what they can do for your business, so stay tuned. So before I get into the good stuff, my name is Adrian. I'm a wedding and portrait photographer. On my channel, you can expect to see photography tips, tricks, and tutorials. So if you're interested in that type of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. All right, so the first thing I want to talk about is ShootProof. So what it is it's pretty much what you're going to use to deliver your clients' galleries, but it also has so many other things. Like, ShootProof is amazing. It is just amazing. You can deliver your galleries, you can deliver contracts, you can send emails to your clients. You can just do so much with ShootProof, and you can also take payments. So like I said, it's literally like an all-in-one like client management software for your photography business, so you should definitely check it out. Another thing I really like about it is just how professional it looks, and I feel like every photographer should have some kind of client gallery delivery software or something like that. It just makes you look professional. I feel like if you don't look up to par, then people, you know, they shouldn't even invest in you if you're not going to invest in yourself. So, and with ShootProof, you're going to pay monthly. I think I just upgraded to the $20 plan, $20 a month plan. It really depends on how much you're shooting. If you're just shooting portraits, then you may not need, because they have a limit on the amount of photos that you can upload a month, I think. So it really depends. If you're shooting weddings, you're probably going to need a bigger plan. And that's why I just had to upgrade, because we're starting to shoot more weddings. But I almost forgot, and this is another really cool feature. You can also put your brand into ShootProof, so you can upload your logo and kind of like your colors that go along with your brand. So it just keeps your overall brand cohesive, which I think is very important. So that's another really cool feature. So now we're in ShootProof. Just kind of want to show you what it looks like and just show you some of my favorite features. So this is the main dashboard right here. It's pretty easy to navigate through. I like how it looks. So this right here is really important. It's your notifications. So it's going to show you notifications for everything. You know, if your client signed a contract, if they paid their invoice, if they downloaded photos, everything that goes on within ShootProof, it's going to send you a notification right here. This right here is recent gallery activity. So it's going to show you everything that's going on with the galleries, like how many images they downloaded, what emails logged into the gallery. So that's a really important feature too that you're going to be checking out a lot. Now let me show y'all what a gallery looks like. So this is a gallery right here from a model shoot that I did. I like that it has your branding on it, so you could personalize your branding with ShootProof. You could pitch your logo, even your contract can be branded to have your logo. So that's really cool, you know, just that you're able to keep your branding with everything, which I think is really important. Yeah, the galleries look really professional. Your clients can click on the photos, they can download them, they can favorite them. And in the main page, you could see which ones they favorited. And also, this gallery doesn't have it, but you could put a cart option up here where they're able to buy prints, canvases, albums, and stuff like that. So besides that, you know, with ShootProof, like I said, they have the contracts. You can attach your invoice to the contracts. You can track all your contracts in here. So yeah, ShootProof has a lot of really cool features that I really enjoy, and I definitely think it's worth the investment for your business. All right, so the next software I want to talk about is Stomp. So if you are a photographer, you should be blogging. Like, if you're not blogging, you're missing out on a lot of traffic, and blogging is just going to help with your SEO and help you get found. So it's definitely something that you want to be doing. And if you are blogging, then you want to look into Stomp. So with Stomp, what you do is you can create these really cool looking collages, and you could put them on your blogs, which look really good. Now, I know some people may not care about this as much as I do, but I'm all about just making everything look very aesthetic and just look really good and professional. So I feel like Stomp, you know, really helps me with that, like curating my photos and just making sure they're laid out perfectly and just look really good, so clients can look at my stuff and say, wow, you know, it looks good. Something else I've been doing with these collages is I'll also put them on our Facebook. So I really track our statistics and see, you know, what really gets the most engagement and stuff like that. And I've noticed when I do these collages and these sets, when I put all the photos together, that people really like that and they engage with that more so just than uploading single photos. Another really cool thing that I like about it is it makes your photos smaller. So this is very important, and this is something that a lot of photographers don't think about when it comes to their website. You know, they're just uploading these huge image files and it's just slowing down their website. So with Stomp, it resizes those images every time you make them, and it makes it into a smaller file, which is going to make your website run faster, which is very important, because if your website is slow, people are going to click off your website. they're just not gonna, it's 2019 and people want stuff fast. So if your website isn't fast, then people are just gonna click off and go somewhere else. So now we're in Blog Stomp. I just kind of want to show y'all how everything looks. So what you do is you import your photos right here, and then you could start making your collages. It's really easy. That's one thing I love about Blog Stomp is it's just, you know, you drag your photos, and as you can see, it creates these collages right here on the right side, and you have a lot of different options to choose from, which I really like. And you could, you know, if you want, you could put a border in between these photos. It's just so many different things you can do. And right here, as you can see, you could do a custom layout, and you could customize if you don't like any other options right here on the right. So right now I'm taking you onto my website. I just kind of want to show you how I use it, because like I said, I use it for my blog. So I want to show you how I lay out everything and how it looks. So we're going to click on the wedding right here. As you can see, these are my Blog Stomp collages that I made. Like I said, it just makes everything cohesive, and you could kind of tell a story through your collages, which I really like. And I just like the layout. It's better than just posting single images one by one. Right, so the last software I want to talk about is Photo Mechanic. And Lord, let me tell y'all, I don't know how in the heck I ran my business before I had this software. Like, this software is going to improve your workflow speed like so much. I really don't know how I did it before I had Photo Mechanic. I don't know. Photo Mechanic is pretty much going to help you cull your images faster, because we all know that Lightroom, well, at least my Lightroom, it can be slow sometime, especially when you're dealing with raw files. It just doesn't load them fast enough. You have to sit there and wait, and it's pretty annoying. So with Photo Mechanic, all those raws, it just uploads them instantly. So as soon as you put the photos on there, you can see all of them. You don't have to wait for nothing. You can go through your images and select which ones you want, and then you can import those into Lightroom instead of just going straight into Lightroom and fumbling through your photos and picking which ones you want. So you'll have the photos that you know you're going to deliver to the client already in Lightroom. Plus, if you're a wedding photographer, it really helps out a lot because you can individually label these photos. So you can label photos as the, you know, the getting ready, the ceremony, the reception, and you can label them all in different colors, so you have each section labeled, which I feel like is very important too. And it really helps when editing, because you could just knock out, you know, certain sections instead of just going through all the photos and feeling like you're never gonna finish. I like to knock off section by section. It just makes me feel like, you know, I'm working more efficiently. Yeah, so now we are in Photo Mechanic. So these are some photos I just took of the pets and random photos of my wife and stuff. So I have these imported. So once you import your photos, you just click on them, and it has all your photos right here at the bottom, and you could just press the right arrow and you could go through all your photos. It doesn't matter if you shoot raws, they're gonna upload super fast, which is something that I like about Photo Mechanic. As soon as you open your images, all of your images pop up, and you know, in Lightroom, sometimes it could be slow, so that's where I really like Photo Mechanic. So you just go through your photos, and with the numbers, you can label them different colors. So I could label this one green by pressing number 3, or I could press number 5 and label it purple, and you could do different colors. So you just go through, color your photos. Once you do that, you can just exit out, and you see right here, these are the different labels that you have. So if you just want your red ones to show, you just click right here and you hit this right here on the end, and it's going to show all your red photos. So you can do that for different colors. If you're looking to invest in some softwares or programs, and you're just looking to grow your business and just help everything, you know, run more smoothly and efficiently, you should definitely check out these softwares. I'm going to put them all in the description below. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.